Today, in this video we are going to learn how we can make different animation videos like logo animation, ad video, testimonial videos etc. Search for Invdieo.io. This is the interface of this amazing website. Here, you can find multiple options of videos template according to your requirements free of cost. From categories, you will find different videos template listed separately for different purposes of animation videos. Let's quickly make a logo animation video to let me show you how this actually works. You can search anything from this search bar across this website. As you can see, it shows me different logo animation sample templates fast. You can also preview them before using. Let's use this template for our logo animation. These are the tracks of this template as you can clearly see. Let's first import our logo from the system. By clicking on the text present on the template, you can easily edit the text. From this sidebar, you can easily import anything to add into your video like music, images, videos, audios, etc. These are the options that you are already familiar with them, same options like present in MS Word. When you are done with your editing, simply click on this download button to download your video into your system. As you can see, how easily and effectively we created our video in less than 10 minutes. From this website, you can not only make logo animation videos, but also able to make another videos too, like product ad, text to video, restaurant recipe ad and many more. Just explore this website more and more according to your taste.